The reason it is so important for lawmakers to weigh in on this issue is because what we do not want is drones that are manufactured in China, DJI drones. When you have competition, you're going to end up with a better product. And the fact that you have most of that innovation that is being done here in America in that technological sector, what we want to do is have the manufacturing done here that goes with that. Senator Warner and I teamed up on an amendment to our military funding that we think is important. And what it does is to lay that foundation for no taxpayer money being used by entities, whether they're getting grants or whether they're a contractor. None of our taxpayer money could be used to buy a drone that is manufactured offshore. And it's important to bring that manufacturing home. It is so important for Congress to weigh in on this. So Senator Warner and I really worked this issue, and I was so pleased that he came onto my bill and we were able to get it across the finish line. Having groups like AUVSI fill that void of the connector between the innovator or the manufacturer and the policymaker, and making certain that there's a continuum of information that is going to lead you to having that domestic production and that domestic marketplace.